I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you want to enable biometric login for your M&T Bank account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the M&T Bank app. Download and install the M&T Bank mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Step 2. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker that update your password if needed. Step 3. Access settings. Once logged in, tap on the menu icon 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. From there, select Settings. Step 4. Enable biometric login. In the Settings menu, look for the Security section. Here, you will find an option for biometric login. Toggle this option on to enable it. Step 5. Confirm your choice. After enabling biometric login, you may be prompted to confirm your choice through a pop-up. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the setup. Now you're all set to use biometric login for quick and secure access to your M&T Bank account. If you have any issues, double-check that your device supports biometric features. Happy banking!